Miakata mi menya angro. Ame vovo mi nye tu miaƒe duwo. Anglo hã dukɔ bubuwo nye. Aveno hã ame bubuwo nye. Afiƒo hã ame bubuwo nye. Somawo ame bubuwo mi nye. Aƒlawuawo ame bubuwo nye. Ƒenyiawo, dzodzeawo, ave nenema mi le ma. Mia katã mi menye anglowo.
Ba miawo nye zozawo. Miawo nye zozawo. Diawo nye me zozawo. Ne zozawo miawo ka mi nye ʋeduko dometɔ ɖeka. Miawo mi menye anglowo. Gake miawo kaka anglotɔwo kaka ame ɖekawo ko nye eʋawo ko nye.
Agbewo mienɔ le anglo pɔtablatɔ.
Yeah, that is 2025 for Gbechochoza Adobe Dodo. La for Gbechochoza Fiaba 36 state Egadi Dafima, and we think this thing cannot cause distraction, or this thing cannot cause problem in the near future. All right, so now Fike Machonya but Atoy Menu Ika Togbi Ashakpo Bubonato Madugba. You can name your Togbi Gadek Bebe. Eveta Magalang Tewa Natefeva Jumavio Bia Gerado. But Emma first video 36 state of Anglon Ave Quida. Na Paraba calls you, messages you on your plan Catano phone. Na Parabe Nana Legina Jumavi the Shada Jumavi get the coin. Now the question is Nke Joafi Aso Gliao Araso Nuama Didimo Tonuao Nuama Didimo Agavao Medidimo Agotimao medidimo pekiao arugbi juko medidimo kakele mio miagboa udidima ro jojom nke joafi amachichao nukumi be miasrabe de viawen. I love history. For a very long time I'll be reading about our history just to know who we are. So this thing long ago, so but this is just the beginning. So now Mahlang Bangade, that is the ethnic composition of the Anglo Kingdom. North and east of Keta Lagoon are certain areas generally regarded as Anglo and included in the Anglo administrative, which own no direct allegiance to the Anglo king. Their relation with the Anglo had been due in the part to their weakness in the past, which forced their leaders to put their territories under the protection of Anglo against aggressors. These territories, which include Avignon,